Back on the 13th of January 2022, we had a lovely morning fog which lasted up until past noon, and I thought I'd take the drone up and have a look and see what it all looked like. And the following is what it looked like. Pretty cool stuff. This has been a production of A Yank in Sussex. If you've enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe or follow. Thanks for watching, and may you have a very nice day.